And it goes a little something like...
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jackie, and for today's video I'm going to be filming a college day in my life. So with that, let's get started.
Know that this is probably going to be either sent to your email or posted to ELC. That Anna will let you know.
Okay guys, so it's a little later now. It's actually 11:39 and I've been down here for like an hour and a half already. I was actually in a Zoom meeting with an academic advisor slash counselor slash career advisor. So I was just chatting up with her, setting up some goals, and then I'm going to meet with her like by the end of September and just, you know, go through some things with her. I'm just trying to figure out my career plans for next year, so she's going to be helping me for the next couple of weeks. So yeah, we just set up some goals, and right now I'm just going... Oh, I got an email. Right now I was actually on LinkedIn and I was updating my profile as well as looking at some companies that I might be interested in working for next year. Right now I think I'm going to be planning out my day. I have a few things that I want to do today, and then I'm gonna head upstairs and clean and organize my bedroom a bit. I need to make my bed and fix some clothes and things like that, but I'll definitely montage that for you guys so you guys can look at that. But yeah guys, I'll talk to you guys very soon. Okay, so I recently got this cabinet organizer from the Container Store, and I'm actually going to be using this under my sink in my bathroom to organize all of my products. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to be taking this and organizing. Guys, so this is how it turned out. So right here I have this little organizer rack, and I just have some extra toothpaste, and I also have some of my hair products and some additional products that I have no space for on my counter. And then I also have my hair tools. I have a mini hair blow dryer, I have my straightener, and then I also have my curling iron back there, and then I have my Listerine and my body lotion. I usually have these up on the counter, but right now I'm like cleaning and organizing, and these bottles are huge, so they take up the whole space. So I just rather store them down here and just pull them out every morning and night. So I just have those here. And then I have my clear caddy with all of my nail products. I recently bought this nail drill, so I need to use that very soon. And then I just have like a bunch of like little bottles of nail polish and nail tools and everything. And then I have this organizer here, just organizing some of my additional makeup that just doesn't fit in my little organizer up on my counter. I have extra cotton pads, hair brushes, bobby pins. And then in this one, I just have my feminine products, and I also have some additional extra products back there, like floss and razors and other things like that. So yeah, this is how it turned out, and I really like it. It's finally cleaned and organized. So now I'm actually going to get around to cleaning my makeup brushes. They are so gross. I need to clean these. So that is what I'm going to do right now. And I'm also going to organize like my makeup collection, even though I think it's pretty organized right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get to that. And for my outfit of the day today, I'm wearing this baby blue sweater that I got from Aerie, and I absolutely love it. Aerie is like my favorite store ever. I'm just wearing this with a little white tennis skirt that I got from Dick's Sporting Goods that I really like as well. So this is just a little overview of my outfit today. And right now I'm actually gonna go back downstairs and cook some lunch. Okay guys, so I had lunch and now I'm just sitting at my computer. I'm actually about to edit a video. I have not been uploading as much as I want to on YouTube, and that is just because the storage on my laptop is so bad. It literally takes me forever to edit one video, and I can only edit one video at a time. So that just like slows me down so much. And right now I currently have like 3 videos to edit, and I filmed these like 2 weeks ago. So right now I'm trying to like catch up and try to like figure this out before I sit down for the rest of the night and start studying for my quiz tomorrow. So right now I'm gonna try and figure this out and try to like finish editing this one video. Okay guys, so this is what I'm cooking for dinner. Today I'm making tilapia with vegetables, and I cook it on the top stove with aluminum foil. But here I have all of my vegetables. I have potatoes, broccoli, tomatoes, bell peppers, cilantro, onions, and I seasoned everything with lemon pepper very lightly on the vegetables, and then I did the same with the tilapia. And then once I cook it and it's ready to eat, I actually season it some more with salsa valentina and lime. But yeah, this is what I'm cooking tonight. Hey guys, so this is how my dinner turned out, and it smells so good. I'm so excited to be eating this. I haven't cooked in a minute, so I'm so excited to be eating a home-cooked meal. So yeah, and right here I just have some salsa valentina. I'm gonna put some on my tilapia, and I also have some lime here. I'm also just drinking some mango juice. So yeah guys, that's what I'm eating for dinner. It's a little later now, and I just finished dinner. I actually watched a episode of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I absolutely love that show. Right now I'm on season 6, episode 17. I just watched the Cinco de Mayo heist, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Really good episode, so definitely recommend, and definitely recommend the series if you guys don't know about it. It's on Hulu. Yeah, one of my favorites ever. So I watched that really quickly, and right now I'm actually just taking notes for one of my classes. I have a quiz tomorrow morning, so I'm just preparing for that. I'm taking the notes, and I'm also reviewing, and tomorrow I'll probably wake up like an hour before my quiz just to make sure that I know everything. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the night. And just to keep you guys updated, my computer was working today, and I did get to edit that video. I actually finished editing. I just need to like rewatch it like 2 more times and just make sure that everything is perfect, and then maybe tomorrow I'll have a new video up. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah guys, with that, I'll talk to you guys.
I've been feeling so